Today we are going to unbox the VR box which I brought from Amazon around 300 rupees, and the remote cost 350 rupees. I will give the link in the description. Let's get started. This is the remote. These are the buttons with a smooth joystick. This is the space for the cell. We require 2 pencil cells. As you can see the light blinking here, and this is the gaming mode. And if you want to view the working of this, please check my new video. This is the VR box. This is the space for the camera. As you can see, I have put my phone there, and this is the camera. This is the space for the speakers. This is the elastic to hold it on your face. This is the space for the nose. These are the 2 lenses, and this is the phone tray. As I have put my phone here, it also having a spring in which any phone can fit properly. So this is the process of putting the phone here. And as you can see, through the lenses, and you can enjoy the virtual reality show, and you should experience once in a life. This is the foam. This is made up of foam to give support for long working of this. And if you want to view this working, it's working, and my experience, watch my next video. Thank you.